Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn off or disable friend suggestions on Nintendo. How to turn off or disable friend suggestion on Nintendo. The first thing you do is log into your Nintendo account, view credentials, and next thing you do is on the left side corner of your home screen, you have to click on privacy and auto settings, and then you see manage your email settings, local usage and more. Under which you have friend suggestions. So right now its tab is set to yes, so click on change and you turn it off. Now this feature actually helps you connect with friends across Nintendo account link services by displaying friend suggestion in one service based on your existing friends and another service. So it's disabled. Friends from these services will not be suggested as friends for other link services, and you won't be suggested to those users as a friend. This does not apply to friend suggestion based on third-party services like social media. Disabling this friend suggestion for a service will not remove existing friends in that service. Additionally, if your Nintendo account is linked to a Nintendo network ID, your Nintendo 3DS will you friends may still be suggested as friends or set Nintendo accounts linked services, and you may still be suggested to those users as a friend unless you unlink your Nintendo network ID from your Nintendo account. It's as simple as that. Let's how to turn on friend suggestions in Nintendo. You can simply turn it on if you change your mind by following the same steps and turning this on. So hope you find it really helpful. If you did, like, subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one which we put up every day.